Hello there, Peter from Woodbench.ca, carpenter and content creator for this channel. And in this video, I'd like to talk to you about this block style, live edge, wabi-sabi inspired, solid hardwoods of oaks and maples. A bench also known as the Waterfall design, without the 45-degree angled ends. But you know what? This alternative, and them being stacked on top of each other, is much stronger and natural in design. A bench like this, anywhere else, at any retail store of this quality of hardwoods and craftsmanship, would run you close to $1,000. But not with me, no siree, because I'm just a guy in a garage, and I don't have to pay for those exuberant retail storefront rental rates as they do, and I pass on the savings to you. Peter, Woodbench.ca, 416-994-8803.